Dreaming of sandy beaches and endless sunsets? Retirement planning might not sound as exciting, but it's crucial to turn that dream into reality. Here are 5 actionable steps to kickstart your retirement plan and make it YouTube and Google search friendly. Target retirement age and lifestyle. Visualize your ideal retirement age and desired lifestyle, frugal beach bum or jet-setting adventurer. This will determine your retirement savings needs. Estimate retirement costs. Research average living expenses in your desired retirement location. Factor in healthcare costs, which tend to rise with age. Calculate the gap. Subtract your estimated retirement income, Social Security pensions, from your desired retirement expenses. This reveals the gap you need to fill through savings and investments. Hot tip: explore online retirement calculators like Vanguard's or AARP's to get a personalized estimate. Start early and invest consistently. Time is your greatest asset. Even small amounts invested early can grow significantly thanks to compound interest. Aim for automatic contributions to your retirement savings plan, like a 401k to make saving effortless. Pro tip: YouTube channels like The Finance Diet and Investing with Jessica offer fantastic tips on harnessing compound interest for early retirement. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to mitigate risk. Consider robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront for automated diversification. Finance on the go. Apps like M1 Finance or Stash allow easy and fractional share investing, perfect for beginners on the move. Set it and forget it. Automate your retirement contributions to ensure consistent saving. Rebalance for peace of mind. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your target asset allocation as market conditions fluctuate. Life happens. Adjust your plan as needed for life changes like marriage, children, or career shifts. Seek professional help. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance, especially for complex situations. Bonus tip: YouTube channels like The Financial Diet and Clark Howard provide excellent advice on navigating financial advisors and building a retirement plan. Remember, planning for retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. By following these steps and leveraging the resources mentioned, you'll be well on your way to a secure and fulfilling retirement.